The quantities are finalized. Let's review the cost impacts.
Agreed. The structural specs look solid.
Good day. My name is Babalo Dungwane. I am from Pietermaritzburg and I'm currently doing my honors in quantity surveying.
Hi everyone, my name is Sivesi Tembu. I am from Kokstad, KZN, and I am a first year construction studies student at UJ.
There's a project that I've been involved in when I was doing my internship in KZN. It was doing the pollutions in the schools in KZN. So that's the one project that made me fall in love really with construction, and it was seeing everything that I've studied come into life, and also experiencing working with other people in construction like your architects as well as your project managers. As a QS, it was such a lovely experience for me, and that's exactly when I knew that I loved construction.
So the one moment that really made me feel like this is where I'm exactly meant to be at is when I got to UJ, and it was during the O week, and during that time they gave us more information about the course, the degree, because I really didn't know like much information about it. But as soon as I was told more and more about it, that's when I fell more in love with it. And yeah, that's that one moment where I knew that's exactly where I'm meant to be.
The reason why I chose this course is because I had initially wanted to become a lawyer, and secondly, I had a huge love for numbers. So I needed something that's going to integrate the two into one, and quantity surveying was the ideal course for me. And also, I had a love for construction as well. So I needed something that will make me be on site, but not fully on site. At the same time, integrate law and numbers into one. So as quantity surveyors, we do have the law part of things, which is your administrative part, your contracts law, and we deal with numbers all the time. So that's why I actually went for quantity surveying.
I think one thing that really drew me to construction is being able to start a project from beginning and actually build it, build the structures, everything. It's just a very interesting program. It also makes a huge difference in people's lives. Being, for example, the hometown that I come from a very small hometown, Kokstad, and the infrastructure is not that well. So I think one thing that drew me more is like seeing the less fortunate people staying in those not built properly structures or houses and wanting to make a difference and a change. I think that's one thing that really made me choose it. And obviously there's also a lot of money in it.
What surprised me the most is actually I have a good experience with my course and the university as a whole. It came with such shock to find out that we get so much support here at the University of Johannesburg. I thought that I'm going to be on my own since I'm at a university level, unlike high school where your teachers would assist you step by step when you don't understand things. And when I came to UJ, I was surprised that I would still get the very same experience as like I did in high school. My lecturers were always there for me along with other students as well. And also just life in general, being independent and also getting that support from my lecturers, from the HODs as well as the academic advisors. That's what surprised me with university as a whole.
I think one thing that surprised me the most about UJ in general is the support that we actually get from lecturers and from everyone. I think being someone who knows like other institutions as well, coming here was like a change, like a life-changing thing, because now like the lecturers are always supportive. There's a lot of things that like support students at UJ, and I'm more at peace now. So I think I really am happy where I am, and that's what really shocked me about UJ, because I was coming to study engineering, which is not an easy degree, but I'm able to actually do it, and I also have a lot of free time to be myself and to be happy and do whatever I want to do.